To make this smoky eye really pop, start off by taking concealer, placing it all over your lid, and do not seal it with powder. Grab your best blending brushes and place red in the crease, and then when it comes to the eyelid and making it very deep and dark, you want to take a black gel liner and then put black eyeshadow over the top of it and continue to blend all the way around your eye. That's going to give you the best coverage and really make it stand out. After popping on some fluffy lashes, put on your lightest concealer and foundation that you have. The point is to look super washed out. I mean, living thousands of years with no sun, it'll do that to you. Alright, grab some black liquid lipstick because we really want this to stay. And go on the outside of your lip area and then on the inside with red liquid lipstick. And then soften the edges with black eyeshadow. Now, although this lace chest piece can be somewhat time consuming, the actual mechanics behind painting lace isn't too difficult. Now, obviously adding the bat is going to take more time, so if you want to skip that part altogether and just focus on the lace, that's totally cool too. Okay, so my best advice for doing this is once you add the squirrels, yes, once you add the squirrels, then you can paint the nuts in later. Okay, let's try that again. After you add the swirls, you go along the inside with a detailed brush and you make scratchy lines and repeat that 2 or 3 times so that they overlap each other. Making the lines scraggly like this kind of mimics that twisted, thin yarn that you get that's very delicate looking. And as for a pattern, I definitely found one online. This isn't anything from memory, so if you have a favorite pattern that you like, literally just copy it to the best of your ability. Now to really make this pop, this was my favorite part. I bought different size sequins, used eyelash glue, and then placed them on with tweezers. And I think it's this addition that actually makes the lace a lot more believable, and when it catches the light, it looks amazing. Alright, here is the final vampire makeup and lace body paint look. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. You can find me at Bagel Queen on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Twitch. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I just stuck a whole ass Kleenex in my eye. It's starting to water. Oh my god. Stupid. I hate it when I do shit like that. I'm trying to concentrate on too many things at once. That felt great.